Thank you, and I agree with you that we have challenges right now. Mr. Chair, thank you for convening this hearing. Every day I come to work, I think about what I can do in Congress to ensure that children in this country will have a better future than the generations before them. I'm not sure that all the leaders of this administration have exactly the same mindset. HHS and the USDA have actively contributed, unfortunately, to a worsening health crisis for children in at least two ways. First, by slashing critical programs like SNAP and Medicaid, and second, by undermining public trust in vaccines and medical research that are proven to help keep children healthy. First, President Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill Act will take away SNAP benefits from countless children, including in families with those over the age of 14. As a child, my family utilized SNAP's predecessor, food stamps, when my own father lost his income in the early 1970s. SNAP, which is the successor program, helped us to get on our feet and afford healthy and fresh food. It is cruel to take away this social safety net from families just to give the wealthiest a tax break. On top of this, 15 million Americans will lose their health coverage and be left uninsured due to devastating cuts to Medicaid. These Medicaid cuts are projected to close at least 11 rural and inner-city hospitals in my home state of Illinois, making it harder for kids to get the health care they need. Health systems that are unable to continue operating will be forced to lay off staff and cut services because of these budget shortfalls. Families will lose access to doctors, medications, and preventive care. The next generation, namely our children, will unfortunately suffer the consequences. Additionally, Secretary Kennedy and others at HHS have been unrelenting in eroding public trust in vaccines that save children's lives. RFK has made outrageous claims, literally saying that vaccinating our children is, quote, a holocaust, what this is doing to our country. These outrageously wrong claims are driving states like Florida to remove critical vaccination mandates, even for school children. Even President Trump says the following about vaccines. They're, quote, pure and simple. They work. They're not controversial at all. And I think those vaccines should be used. That's what President Trump said. I may never say this again, but RFK should listen to his president. Protecting kids' health is not new to me. It's been at the heart of my work since I came to Congress. I held Big Tobacco accountable when they began targeting our children with flavored vapes. I began an investigation and helped later introduce legislation to keep toxic heavy metals out of baby food. And I devoted myself to increasing access to mental health services for students no matter where they live by introducing the Connecting Students to Mental Health Services Act. Any child can see the plain, simple truth here. This administration's policies are harming our health and jeopardizing our future. If we as a country truly care about making America's children healthy again, the first step is holding HHS and USDA accountable for the roles they're currently playing in worsening our children's health today. Thank you, and I yield back.